Hi guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is of my natural hair wash day routine. This video has been highly requested forever, so here it is finally. I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm starting off with my hair already sectioned down the middle, and I'm just taking one side and pinning it back because I like to work on one half of my hair at a time. Take that half of my hair and split it down even further because I like to work on smaller sections of my hair while doing this. So I'm starting off with my hair already sectioned down the middle, and I'm just taking one side and pinning it back because I like to work on one half of my hair at a time. Just using regular water in a spray bottle and this Shea Moisture deep conditioning silicone mask as my pre-poo. I just smooth it on and then I use my wet brush to detangle it, and after I'm finished detangling, I go ahead and twist it right up. Okay, but can we take a moment to get into this curl shot though? Do you guys see how dry my hair is in this video? Look at that, disgusting. But I'm just gonna repeat those steps throughout the rest of my head. Just spray my water, the deep conditioner in, detangle and twist it right up. I like to do some sort of pre-poo treatment before shampooing my hair because it allows for me to detangle my hair much quicker and it makes my wash day go by faster. So I usually always do this, but the product that I use to detangle and put in my hair just varies from time to time. Sometimes it's a deep conditioner, other times it's a regular conditioner, other times it's oil. So it all just depends on what I'm feeling like doing that day and how dry and how much my hair needs to be taken care of. This is what one side of my hair looks like when it's done. Using the Shea Moisture pre-shampoo scalp scrub to put in my hair, and it actually worked really well. This is my first time using it. You just put it all on your scalp and use that little brush that comes with it to kind of massage it in and put it in. So the shampoo and conditioner I use are from the same line, and then the deep conditioner I use is from their coconut oil line. So this is after washing my hair. I just take it out of the twist, detangle it a bit, and I'm going in with that conditioner that I just showed previously and putting that all on my hair and just twisting it up, following the same routine that I did before washing my hair. And these are how my curls are looking after that deep conditioning treatment. Much more bouncy, flowy, everything's clean, it looks more moisturized. So I didn't actually take you guys in the shower with me and show you how I shampoo my hair and stuff, just because I didn't have my tripod set up for that. So yeah guys, that was my wash day routine. If you guys really liked and enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and commenting down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel as well as turning your post notifications on, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!